Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Honorable former Air Chiefs, respected Principal Staff Officers, esteemed PF veterans, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. It is my proud privilege and an honor to speak on the second anniversary of Operation Swift Retort. No doubt, recovery is of great significance in the history of Pakistan Air Force, as indeed our country. On this historic day, PF once again upheld its glorious legacy and deterred the aggressor who gravely miscalculated and challenged our sovereignty. On the strength of our capability and resolve, PF responded in a manner that made our nation proud. Alhamdulillah, we proved equal to the Qaed's vision of being second to none and established our supremacy in the air. I appreciate all personnel of Pakistan Air Force for their professionalism, valor, commitment displayed during Operation Swift Retort. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is a responsible and a peace-loving nation, and its armed forces are prepared to defend its territorial integrity at all costs. Our efforts for global and regional peace, particularly in Afghanistan, Middle East, and UN peacekeeping missions are being acknowledged by international community. One such manifestation of peace was witnessed by the world through unconditional return of the captured Indian pilot by the government of Pakistan. However, let me make it very clear that our desire for peace should not be misunderstood. In case of any misadventure, our response would be swift, resolute, and unwavering. I am glad that in the wake of historic Operation Swift Retort, PF remained proactive for maintaining peace and deterring aggression despite the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic. PF resolve and determination during the pandemic was remarkable. Alhamdulillah, our well-deliberated strategy, its successful implementation, and teamwork yielded dividends. While being committed to recollect, reconnect, recharge, and thinking to win, PF maintained highest level of operational preparedness besides ensuring safety of its personnel, which is commendable. Dear PF personnel, you must take pride in the sacred responsibility of national defense. We need to keep our assets ready and available all the times. Remember, Pakistan is confronted with numerous challenges which demand our capabilities for timely response. We must remain on guard to defend ourselves on ground and in air. PF is continuously endeavoring to augment our potential in all spectrum operations and pursuing modernization through indigenous efforts. We pledge to protect our sacred homeland and defend the hard-earned independence with our lives. On this occasion, let me reiterate that we stand by our Kashmiri brethren in their just struggle for self-determination. It is time to bring an end to the atrocities and longest lockdown of more than 1.5 years. May Allah Almighty guide our endeavors to be the enduring guardians of Pakistan free blue skies. Pakistan Air Force, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.